What's up, guys, and welcome back to Big Entertainment. So, there is chaos right now on social media with so many predictions that Duduzane Zuma is going to replace Floyd Shivambu as the Secretary General of the MK party. This is one of the many posts that are saying that Duduzane Zuma is going to replace Floyd Shivambu. What is happening is that there seems to be a fight between Duduzile Zuma and Floyd Shivambu's team on social media. On the side of Floyd Shivambu, Mzwaneli Manye has also confirmed that he has come straight from Kandla and there is no such thing as Floyd Shivambu being replaced by as the Secretary General of the MK party. But the challenge with this, what Mzwaneli is saying here, is that he is coming from Kandla, the homestead of Jacob Zuma. This shows us that MK party seems not to have an official office, nor does it follow the constitution, is they are going straight to Jacob Zuma. This is why someone like Duduzile Zuma, who does not have a position in the MK, to cause such chaos on social media. In trying to manage this chaos that is occurring on social media, the MK party official page has also gone on to confirm their social media accounts. And as of now, Duduzile Zuma seems to have stopped her tweets, but anytime soon, surely the smoke that is rising right now is going to turn into fire. So this chaos, if you can see, is the same chaos that occurred between Julius Malema and Mboiseni Ndlozi. This is exactly how it happened. It started as rumors like this, and the MK party was not the MK party as such, but more like the supporters of the MK party. They were fueling the division between Malema and Mboiseni Ndlozi. And at the end of the day, Mboiseni Ndlozi ended up being banned from attending the EFF NPA. Right now, it's the turn of the MK party to taste that medicine from EFF supporters, as they are now dividing Floyd Shivambu and Duduzile Zuma. But will the EFF supporters get what they want? It's just a matter of time.